Fixing a misfire. After replacing spark plugs. Generally, if replacing the spark plugs resolves the issue, you should notice an improvement almost immediately. When new spark plugs are properly installed, the vehicle's engine should run more smoothly and efficiently. Misfires often stem from worn or faulty spark plugs, which interfere with the ignition process. So if this was the main issue, the replacement should fix the misfire right away. Common reasons for persistent misfire. 1. Ignition coils. If your vehicle still misfires after changing the spark plugs, the ignition coils might be the culprits. They can wear out over time, causing spark issues. 2. Fuel injectors. Faulty fuel injectors can also lead to misfires. If the injector isn't delivering the right amount of fuel to the cylinder, it can cause incomplete combustion. 3. Vacuum leaks. A vacuum leak may disrupt the air-fuel mixture, leading to a misfire. It's worth checking for any potential leaks. 4. Wiring issues. Electrical problems or damaged wiring to the spark plugs or ignition coils can hinder proper firing. 5. Compression issues. Problems with the engine's compression, such as a blown head gasket, can also be factors. This is often more serious and might need professional assessment. Steps to take if misfire persists. Diagnostic scan. Use an OBD2 scanner to identify any error codes. This can point you in the right direction for troubleshooting further issues. Check connections. Ensure all electrical connections to the spark plugs and ignition coils are secure. Examine ignition coils. Test the ignition coils to make sure they are operating correctly. Consult a mechanic. If you've gone through these steps and the misfire still persists, it may be time to bring your vehicle to a professional for a more comprehensive inspection. Final thoughts. Replacing faulty spark plugs is often a straightforward fix for a misfire. If you don't see an immediate improvement, there may be additional underlying issues at play. Being thorough with diagnostics can save both time and money. Just make sure to check all related components if the problem persists. Happy driving!